Hi, happy birthday, happy Halloween. Let's talk about sounds. More importantly, annoying sounds. Unbearable sounds. Sounds like this. Sounds that make you cringe. I describe it as a texture to a sound. I hate it. I hate it more than most things, except for being pinched. I hate being pinched more than anything. Rather you stab me in the chest and just kill me. Just kill me. Don't pinch me though. Ever. Another sound that I really hate is chalk, like drawing on a chalkboard. That's like, I'm not going to demonstrate it. I do find it kind of weird that there's one sound that most people hate that I don't hate. I just don't mind it. When people take a fork, a metal fork, on a glass bowl, and they just shove it in there and they just start a squeaky sound. I don't mind it that much. Seriously. When you bring out the devil and you scratch that, you and I, enemies for life. Unlike unholy sounds of the devil, holographic, scratchy devil noises, there are things that I don't hate, like free stuff. Free stuff is awesome, right? Who wouldn't agree with that? Unless it's a bad free thing. Like free plague. I got a free sticker today. Right there. See it? This guy in my class was like, hey dude, I'll just show you how it went down. Dude, hey guy, what do you want? Dude, take the sticker. Dude, take the sticker. I mean, if you insist, just take it. I guess I'll take it. Thanks. Now, I know you like free stuff because you're sitting here watching this, and it's free, mostly, except for the fact that I'm just wasting your time and you're just wasting away in here. Never gonna get it back. Thanks for giving it to me. You were my first. So it was nice talking to you, whoever, myself. Just, you know what to do. Just take it. Yeah, talk about a weirdo. But with this sticker anyway. I mean, you know, free, free, free stuff.